No matter if you're a Comic-Con newbie or a veteran like myself, there is always something to learn about going to Comic-Con. All footage in this video is my own from previous events I have been to. Number 1. Before even buying your tickets, check to see what guests will be on which day. You don't want to buy a ticket for Friday to find out Matt Mercer was only there on the Saturday. Number 2. Cosplayers, check social media and Reddit too. Even if you're not a cosplayer, these are cool to see, and sometimes you can even get a group photo with all your favourite characters all in one place. Number 3. If you see someone in an amazing cosplay outfit and you want to take a photo with them, just ask. 9 times out of 10, it's a yes. Trust me, I've done it many times. Number 4. Stay hydrated. It's a lot of walking and it can get pretty hot. No one wants to demask a fainted nerd. Trust me, it's not pretty and it can be quite stinky. Number 5. No matter if you're into MTG, Pokemon, board games, manga, comics, whatever it is, your people and your collectibles are more likely to be there. Larger events tend to have an app. This will help you find all those stalls because believe me, saying, "Oh, I'll remember where it is," never works. Number 6. If you're staying in a hotel nearby, try and check in before you head to the event. That way, you can use your room as a drop-off point for all the things your bank account told you not to buy. Number 7. For my London MCM goers, don't forget to factor in the walk from the station to the entrance and then the ticket pickup. So if you have an early access ticket, add that into your time so you don't miss a second. Number 8. If there are any more than 2 guests you want an autograph of, especially the bigger names, consider a weekend pass so you don't miss out on anything else you want to see. Number 9. Prep your budget and take some cash, just in case. And number 10. Have fun. The best thing about Comic-Con for me is that the moment you enter those doors, no matter what venue, no matter where in the country, everyone is equal. So ask to take those photos. Be the character you want to be, make new friends, and make some amazing, nerdy memories. Until next time, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button.